Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. But this time, we're talking about another retro one, but it's a different kind of retro one, man. This retro one got a whole different look to it. Not too much of a different look, but it's not your normal retro one, man. I had to bring this shoe to the channel. I was able to get my hands on a pair of my size 8.5. I had to bring a review to the channel, man, so you guys could be able to look at the shoe and, judge the shoe if you guys wasn't able to, get your hands on the shoe or anything like that. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified when we drop a new content to the channel, and also hit that like button if you like the content that we bring to the channel, man. And overall, don't forget to holler at us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, if you want to get any Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you guys can holler at us via email at p4yt2016@gmail.com. I know y'all tired of me talking. Let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go, Retro 1 Couture. Just dropped this past Saturday. So I had to get it to the channel so you guys can check it out, get a look at it for yourself in somebody's hand. Better than the pictures you guys see on your regular sneaker blogs every day. But let's get straight to it, man. As you can see, you got the all beige sole here. All around the shoe, all beige sole. All around, has the red stripe going across. All the way around to the other side of the shoe. It's real thick leather on here, man. Very thick. It's not like your regular retro one leather. Usually your regular retro ones has a mesh tongue. This tongue is leather and it's stiff as hell, which 9 times out of 10 tells me this shoe is going to be very uncomfortable. Not like retro ones are comfortable to begin with, but this shoe is going to be very uncomfortable. As you can see on the tongue, that black with the red Nike Air, of course. Toe box, tough leather. All around, man. Pretty much tough leather all around the whole shoe. A little bit of nylon on the inside. Nylon. Kind of feels a little different, but it's definitely nylon. Come to one set of shoestrings, black only. It gives you like that designer look, like a Balenciaga or something like that. I think that's the look that Jordan Brand was going with when they made this shoe, and they dropped it out of nowhere, man. Nobody knew the shoe was coming. It just dropped. And I was able to get my hands on a pair. I got my size 8.5 here. I don't really know how I feel about them because this shoe is not something I would wear on a day-to-day basis or anything like that, because it has that designer, like the designer look that a lot of people are doing now, man. That's really not my style. I wouldn't do the designer thing, but this definitely the look that Jordan Brand was going for, like a designer look. I just want to do a quick video to bring to you guys so you guys can be able to look at the shoe in hand and get a couple of different looks at it or whatever. But the colorway is dope. I definitely don't think that Jordan Brand should definitely come out with more colors of this. I don't know how it's gonna be received. If this wasn't a special type of drop or a pop-up drop, I don't even think these would have sold out. It had a very high price point at $190. Usually retro ones are $160 plus tax. These were, not $190. I'm sorry. That's how much I paid with tax. They were $175. These were $175 before tax. With tax, $190. Usually retro ones cost $160 with tax. Here in New York City, it's $175. So yeah, man. On the resale market, they're going for a little bit of chicken in the 8.5. If you guys want to get a pair and sell them, or you want to just get a pair for your own collection, they're going for a little bit of chicken, probably a little less than 300, probably a little more than 300, somewhere around there. But man, let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. I'm not really feeling the whole leather, stiff leather all around the shoe. I'm sure if you break them in, I'm sure the leather, will loosen up a little bit. But what chance you gonna take on stiff leather when you're wearing a shoe and that creases automatically? You're gonna crease it. It's gonna have one big crease going across the toe box, man. It kind of already got a crease on the air. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I haven't even tried the shoe on yet. So imagine if I'm wearing it. Yeah, man, I'm not really feeling this shoe, man. So y'all know what time it is. I gotta rate it. Out of 5 pennies, man, I gotta give these 3.5, man. 3.5 out of 5 pennies. I'm not really feeling this whole thing. I really don't like shoes with all white soles. Like if they would have put a black sole, like a black bottom of the sole, that would have been dope. But I don't like shoes with all white soles at all. I really don't like that at all. Man, like I said, man, 3.5 out of 5 pennies. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below if you guys feel different. You know, if you guys like this shoe and feeling, you know, different things about it, man. Leave your comments below. I'll get back at you guys with all comments. Don't forget to hit that like button. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.